545 Corntassel Road in Vonore, Tennessee, is a gorgeous home only 3 years old and on a spacious parcel. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, it'll be a source of comfort and enjoyment for years to come. Step inside and take in the open concept floor plan on LVP flooring and custom blinds throughout. The tray ceiling helps make this living room stand out. It's expansive, looking out on the countryside through a wall of glass. The custom eat-in kitchen features tremendous granite countertop area, serviced with new GE appliances, as well as soft close cabinetry. Not only the living room, but all your bedrooms are adorned with tray ceilings and overhead fans to maintain excellent airflow throughout. The master bedroom provides ample closet space, and the bath offers up a dual vanity and a spacious tub shower. The laundry includes a stainless steel sink with granite countertop. Take the stairs to the upper floor. Now this is a bonus room, perfect as an additional bedroom or media room. Enjoy quiet evenings or that morning cup of coffee on the spacious deck. It's enclosed in the fenced backyard. 545 Corntassel Road is just a mile from the Razor Landing Boat Launch, campground and picnic area. It's 5 minutes from Madisonville, 20 minutes from Maryville, and just 1.5 hours from the Pigeon Forge Gatlinburg gateway to the Smokies. For real, this is a must-see. Call Corrina Ashe of Tellico Mountain Realty direct at 423-261-5480.